Hi guys, how you doing? This is Sunny again on my 2003 Suzuki Gsxr 1000. Here is the bike. A quick look around. So, this exhaust, let me help you guys out. Basically, you don't need an expensive exhaust. What happened was this bike has a Yoshimura half system, that's what it was called. Basically a slip-on. And because there's no cats in the 2003 Gsxr 1000, I believe they came in I think around 2010 in all the bikes. So I went down and my Yoshimura RS3 exhaust was a little damaged and I shortied it, but I didn't like it. So right now what I have on is a Yoshimura mid pipe attached to a GP exhaust that I got off of eBay for I think it was $100. Put it on, sounds very nice. It's rather small, just like the GP style. And then just to add a little bit to it, what I did was like I ordered this Yoshimura emblem. It's just a simple stick-on emblem from eBay, and just stick it on. That completes the look. So what I'm gonna do today, what happened was that me and Jason were riding the other day, and look what happened. Oops. Yep. So this is I believe the original shifter, gear shifter, and it just came apart the other day while we were riding. As we can see on the other side, since I went down on this side back in the days, and this brake lever was damaged, and I ordered this one, collapsible one. And now what I have is the matching part on this side. Yep. It's a little different, but I guess it'll do the job. Same collapsible type of thing. And I guess yeah, it is the same thing, it's just faded on the other side a little bit. So before you begin to do anything, any repairs on anything, first thing you do is you take a picture of how things actually are. Okay, so hold on one second. Sorry, I am gonna take a picture of this, especially the spring, the way it's placed. There you go. Also, I would advise you to watch YouTube videos on what somebody else has done. If all these repairs are already done, you can just watch them and even watch mine and pick out which way that works the best for you and follow it step by step, or make notes and do it step by step. So what do I need to do to change this? Well, this makes my job easier since it just comes off. So that is off. I will take this part off, I have to take that part off, and I will have to take these two screws right there. Once that is off, then I'll have to disassemble this part to take this out, then push that one in, push this in, and reassemble it, and then connect this to last. Okay, so I'll place you guys here on the side while I'm working, and if you guys ever have any questions, please feel free to message me and I will help you as best as I can. Alright, so let me place you on the side while I'm working, and these are real-time unedited videos. There is no music. If you guys want music, you can put on your own music in the background, because everybody has a different taste, and I don't feel that you need music to work, so there you go. Oh, I just hung up that light on the side, so it helps me since it's like about 8 o'clock in the evening here today. Just see what happens. I'm just checking to see if you guys can watch me. Give me 1 second so I can place it correctly. Yeah, it looks like it. There you go. So I went to Harbor Freight the other day. I picked up this set of 3s for like $5. Set of L keys. Let me show you the other part. I'll be back. So this was a part of this set. Harbor Freight is amazing. If you have one close by, you'll get a whole bunch of stuff for very cheap, for like $5 or $6, where you would get only one thing, you get a whole set. So let's see which one fits here now. Let me guess. Should this work on this? Right here. Yeah, let's see. Does it? What did this guy do to it? Did he dig in too much? Did he dig in too much? What? Well, I'll put on some WD-40 just in case to help me loosen it. I don't want to. These are aluminum screws and they will be eaten away right away. So let me put some WD-40 on them. I'll be back. Or any penetrant. I feel that using this on this, I feel it's a little too delicate for that, so I also have this hex socket bit set that I got from Harbor Freight, which I can use with my wrench, make my job a little bit easier. So I'm going to use that. Let's spray some of this lubricant on this. There you go. There you go. I'll worry about the back when I get there. Let me see which one fits on this. I think this should fit. Does it? No. The next step. There you go. Oh, come on, don't slip. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay, so this is off. Work on it one by one. But this part is slipping, so I did not want that. Ah, fuck. No. Oh my god. Let's see what I can do. Try to hammer it in, so I'm going to take that screw off and get another screw. Hold on. Okay, so know. Just keep on. Tapping it in. See? There you go. So that works. I don't want to use the same screw again, but I'll see if I have another replacement for that. The aluminum screws are pretty soft. They can be eaten away around the edges. It'll be hard to take them off. So now you have seen a trick. Take it off and don't reuse them. Another thing you can do is try to get the stainless steel screw set. They are more sturdier. They will not be eaten away that easily. They're easier for you to take off and put on many times. And of course, spray the lubricant. That also helps, like I did. There's just a lot of road and grime and stuff that goes on there. Now, as you can see, here's another screw right there they gotta take off. That's also a hex set. Let me see what size it is. And I like to put my tools back as soon as I'm done working with them, because that helps me. Because if you don't find the tool, then the 2-minute job can be a 2-hour job hunting for the right tool. So try to put the tools back where you got them from, how you got them, and get it done. Ah, shit. Sorry. I'll worry about that later. I'm not gonna waste your time with this. What does this fit on? Well, since I have this, okay, does this fit? Oh, this fits right there. So I'll take this out, move this over, move this over. Pliers help. I'll be back. There you go. Trying to take this off, doesn't come off. Use a plier, grab it, twist it, pull. There you go. Take this off. Put this on. Put this on. Turn it around. Oh, that came off pretty easy. I like that. Take this off. So this goes like that. Take this off. This job is not that bad actually. Okay, got that off. Got this off. Take this off. How do I take? Oh, just comes off like this. Off. Perfect. Here's the new one. Take this out of the box. There you go. I think I should try to twist this on. I'm going to take this off right here, this piece. There's a nut behind it. Move the nut over a little bit. This nut, you see that? This nut holds it in place. Move it back. Take this piece off. Okay. Show that is tight. This piece off. Take this piece. Screw it on. Come. Okay, let's try it this way. Perfect. Give it time to catch properly. Come on, come on. Yeah, I know I could take it off this thing from there, but why make my work more tedious when I can just have one end secure and work on the other end? Come on, buddy, go on, go on, go on. Let's try it the other way. Oh, there you go. Now this length basically is because this gear shift lever has to be what do you say? Yep, it has to be parallel to your foot, so it's not up or too low. Let's see how it goes. Where is it? Let me see if I have these screws first. One of them is good, one of them is bad. This one is good. If I don't have that screw, then I'll just put that screw on later. I have this old set of screws that I ordered for the fairing. It comes in a fairing kit. Let me see which one fits. Nope, too loose. Like I said, if I don't have a screw, I'll screw one on and I'll easily, very easy, I will ride to the hardware shop and get it. So take this damaged screw with me and I will ride to the hardware shop tomorrow to get this exact same screw. Hopefully they have it in stainless steel, which makes my job easier. That's another way to get these screws for the fairings, whatever you're missing. You can just go to a local hardware shop and you can take the bike there or the part there and try the whole lineup of screws, see what fits on that spot, assemble it and just ride out of there. My local hardware shop is very nice. I think it's called the Ace Hardware Shop in Huntington. Bam, there you go. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to see how this goes in. This goes in like that. This goes in. Where is that thing? Oh, there you go. This goes in like this. Boom. Like that. Come on, buddy. What's wrong? Same thickness, right? Okay. Facing up, facing up. There are edges in this for you to put it in. As you can see, there are some indentations for you to make it fit properly. Oh, there you go. Got it. Just screw it in a little, and as you come close, you can stick the indentations in. It's gonna stick. Yep, it's gonna stick. There you go. Don't make anything too tight right now because you're just test fitting it. So snug will be okay, but not all the way tight. That's why I haven't attached any wrench on this stuff yet. Okay, see? That's it. Oh shit, we lost the light. Oh, we got it back. Twist it back again, or twist it this way. There you go. Take this in. Like I said, now I'm trying to change the position a little bit. See how it comes in. Well, that's a little too low, I guess. So the deeper it goes in, the closer it is, and I need it to be actually the other way. Oh, that's perfect, actually. There we go. Not bad, actually. So let's put this in. Which one is going? Oops. You see the error? I'm stupid. Well, it's gonna go in here. Okay. Oh, there you go, I got it in. Perfect. Now the back needs to be tightened a bit. We will tighten that. Let's see, can I tighten it like this? No, I gotta take it off. Okay. No problem. But I see how it fits, just like that. Okay, That's a good placement right there. Up and down, perfect. Okay. So let's take this off. Like this. As tight as it can be. Yep, everything moves, so that's good. Now on the brake side there's another spring because the brakes have to come back, but there is no spring on this, so the job is a little easier. This is just simple screw on. Oops. Okay. See where I'm going with this now? Perfect. If I just wanna place it properly, so I tighten that up one properly. I'll just screw this in a bit, but not all the way, to make sure that the gap is proper. Okay. Because I have, and like I said, I can possibly just leave it in there, but not too tight, so I can remove that easily. So that is the damaged one till I get to the hardware store. Okay, that's there. The bottom one is damaged, so I'm going to just leave it in a bit, not too tight, so I can just simply take it off, and it will hold it tonight and on the way to the store. Okay, now can I take it off? Is that enough? Okay, can I take this off? Yep, I can. Can I take it off? Try it again. Yes, I can. Don't twist it. There you go. That's it. This one you can make it a little more tight, but not too tight, because I don't want this to slip or not to be able to come off the next time. So let's see how the lever sits. Get on the bike and compare it with the brake side. If you want, you can start the bike and try to cycle through the gear. Well, you gotta take the stand off. Perfect. Perfect. Stand back down again. Perfect. There you go. So, oops. What did I do? The slide is so sensitive. Sorry, guys. There you go. Just to show you what I did. Can you see it? You should be able to see it. Even though it's dark, but everything works. Oh, you got to tighten the bottom screw right there. Let's tighten that. The screw. Oh man. Let me put you guys down again.